Raw material include oil-tempered wire, galvanized wire, square wire. Six-set spring machine make 4,300 to 5,100 pieces springs. Three-set temperature furnace work from 1.75 to 6-inch spring, max length 192 inch. Mainly products including galvanized spring, E-coated spring, wheel spring, powder coating spring, and square wire spring. Cone machine is our piping equipment, installing cone of 800 pieces spring. Standard size wood box easy for customer to move.